hackers, shady deals, or people trying to get rich overnight. You're not alone. That's what most people think, and it's costing them big time. Every time the market crashes, the media jumps in, crypto is over. It's done. Bitcoin has been declared dead over 400 times, and yet, it keeps bouncing back stronger than ever. Sure, some coins were overhyped and crashed. But blockchain, the tech behind crypto, is revolutionizing industries, banks, supply chains, even voting systems. Let's be honest, bad actors use every kind of money, not just crypto. In fact, cryptocurrencies are often more traceable than cash. Think you need a huge wallet to buy crypto? Think again. With apps like Coinbase or Binance, you can start with just a few bucks. People say, if only I'd bought Bitcoin in 2012. But here's the truth. Less than 5% of the global population owns any crypto.
They run on decentralized systems protected by thousands of computers. What gets hacked? Usually people, not the tech. Bad passwords, fake websites, phishing scams. Many worry governments will ban crypto. But most countries are regulating, not banning. The US, EU, and India are creating frameworks. Banning crypto is like banning the internet. It's too big and useful. Governments want to tax it and regulate it. Yes, crypto is volatile, but so were Amazon and Tesla in their early years. Knowledge turns risk into opportunity. You don't have to go all in, start small and learn smart. Risk becomes opportunity with strategy. Another myth, crypto is only for tech geeks. Today, apps simplify the process. You don't need to understand blockchain code, just how it fits into your financial future. Crypto isn't magic. It's a tool, and like any tool, it depends on how you use it. Don't let outdated myths block your chance to learn and grow. The crypto revolution is happening, with or without you. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more digital finance truths.